Hey travel lovers, it's time for the GotBag No Rolltop review. Please give me a thumb up if you like more reviews like this one. And now let's jump in and see what the backpack is about. So, starting from the back, you have here a belt for the trolley to fix on a trolley. You have here a secret pocket in the back where you could put some DIN 4 sites or your newspaper, and also you have here a clip to close it. The shoulder stripes are with mesh breathable material and a little bit foamy inside. It's ergonomic, but well, it's very elementary. Okay, your hardware here in the bottom is of plastic, so it's not a metal one, and you have quite long distance to adjust. Your handle is only a doubled stripe, and on the front you have your front pocket, and you see that it's here welded, so it's waterproof. And regarding waterproofed, you have here also the GKK waterproof zipper, and your front pocket you could pack some breathing masks, your key, and here in the inside you will see, have a look. So there you see the material, the coated material, so it's all totally waterproof. So regarding the material, I forgot to tell you about, it's made from sea trash. Very unique concept from Germany, so important. If you don't know GotBag, please have a look to the link below. There you will find more dedicated information about it. So how it looked like in the inside. Also, it's closed by a GKK waterproof zipper, and you have quite huge space for this small size. You could pack here, in my example, 2 books, ideal for, well, your journey or the school, and also a small DIN 4 folder. So you could also pack in a bigger folder, so the big size folder. But if you have packed this inside, well, there is not enough space, you see it right now, for any books any longer. I would recommend to use a smaller one or some smaller folders to use more of them. Yeah, you see right now here in the inside, it's very basic, very lean, clean design. So you have here in the compartment the notebook, leaflet, and one zipper pocket. So in the zipper pocket, it's a quite huge one. In the link below you will have my German review, but nevertheless I will write also the size of the pocket, of the inside, the back size, and so on. So have a look. So in this pocket you could have a sleeping mask, ball pens, your mobile, some earplugs, anti-noise absorbing, a second ball pen, and space for a notebook. Up to 17 Sol? I don't know. So 17. How this bag look like on my shoulders, I will show you right now, just before we have the rain test. So I'm very curious about the rain test because it's rain-proof material and hopefully it will survive. How do you think? It looked like very beautiful, right? Ah, isn't it? Cool. So let's jump to my douche test, rain test, and see if it's surviving. Now Luigi will test us under the rain shower the GotBag No Rolltop. Let's have a look with the rain. So I think here it will be a little bit of problem, and as you could see it will flow quite good down, but it's a little bit strange because you have a lot of foam if the water goes and flows down. Have a look to the foam here on the bottom side. Now we come to the end. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Now have a closer look to how it performed. So foamy surface, we showed it before under the rain, the welded front pocket, so it should be waterproofed by the sealing. So open the bag and see how the zipper, the coated zipper, performed. And it looks really cool. So only a little bit of water in. So my smartphone in paper. Oh shit! So have a look. It's wet. So please keep in mind that this front pocket, direct access pocket, is not waterproofed, and also my fingers are a little bit wet. So you could see that there is a little bit of water inside. Let's check the main compartment. So I will open the zipper. So it's also a coated zipper on the top, and I have my packing cube inside, and oh, it's wet. So, well, there comes also water in a little bit. So let's deep dive. It's like a little swimming pool. Look, on the bottom side it's a lot of water, and also the inlay is getting wet from the upper part. So have a look to my paper laptop. So no risk. A little bit of water is also going down. Turn around and oh no, it's getting totally wet. So it comes from the back panel, I guess. This is not really good, but I think here on the stitches it's not very waterproof, and therefore it goes into the laptop sleeve. It's not really waterproofed, and there's a tiny problem. When I took out the backpack from Luigi, I saw the problem. So here on the slipping pocket where you could put your documents in, there will flow the water in because it goes down into the pocket and performs the swimming pool. And the stitches are not waterproofed, and therefore it goes into the main compartment, even if the coated zipper is waterproof. Wow! Did you like the rain test? So I'm very happy about it because right now I know how I have to handle this bag. Do you like this video and was this video helpful for you? Please comment below and leave me also next to your comment an idea about the next video, what you want to see from me. Have a look to this video, because there I will offer you 5 different models in one video, very short one. And see you in the next video. Your Ruben. Bye.